Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix game won't install on EA app. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on EA, click on the Create Account option. And from here, you can choose these options. You can use your Google account, your Facebook, your Apple, your Steam, Xbox, and PlayStation, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, if you are experiencing issues with a game not installing on the EA desktop app, or formerly known as the Origin, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Alright, so number one is I need you to hover to the upper left side of your EA app. That's going to be the three horizontal line, which is the hamburger menu. And you need to basically click on help, and then click on app recovery. All right. Just wait for it a little bit. Now, a new pop-up window will appear that says you need to restart to run app recovery, and all you have to do is clear cache. Right? Now, after the EA app restarted, make sure that the specific game that you wanted to play can be handled by your computer. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the game you're trying to install. Now, I need you to hover down below, because from there you can check and pay attention to factors such as operating system version, available storage space, and hardware specifications such as CPU, GPU, and RAM. Alright, so if these minimum requirements and recommended requirements cannot be handled by your computer, that's gonna be a big problem when playing a specific game here on EA app. Now, the next step is you might want to clear cache and the temporary files, and because I believe that clearing cached data in temporary files can sometimes resolve installation issues. Now, I need you to exit the EA desktop app and press the window button plus R to type in the run. Now, once you are here on the run application, type in %program data and press enter. And of course, from there, open the Origin folder and delete all the files and folders except for local content. And from there, restart your computer and try installing the game again. Now, the next step that you can do is basically repair the game library. Alright? Now, you can try repairing your game library within the EA desktop app. I need you to go to the library option and go to the games that you wanted. Now, right click, for example, the Apex Legends, click on that, right click, and then select repair or check for updates. And after doing so, try to restart and to see if that worked for you. Now, if you've tried all the above steps and still can't install the game, you might need to reach out to the EA support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the issue, including any error messages you encountered. And by following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve most installation issues with the games on the EA desktop app. Okay? And I believe that by following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve most of the installation issues with the games on your platform. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.